Alright, I got the one head off. I'm very pleased with how the cylinders look. This is literally live time. I just did it a second ago. This cylinder looks almost brand new. Look at the top of that piston. Now, starting to get a little bit of rust there, and obviously some build up here. But still, look, it's not bad. I'm wondering if the valves were stuck on this thing. If that's why she's stuck. Again, I don't want to jinx myself, but there's a good chance I might get this thing to go yet. Look at this. I'm really, really, really impressed. And the valves, let me show you them. Oh, we all have seen worse, but there's rust and corrosion on them. So I'm going to keep working, and I'll show you the other bank when I get to it. But if it looks as good as the one I've seen so far, I'm thinking it's top end. Well, I'm hoping it is. I mean, the crank could still be the problem, but so far I'm happy with the way the engine looks. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you down the road.